will discuss current affairs of 20 July to 26 July 2020. So today we have planned something new way, that a set of 5 questions will come to your screen. We'll give you time to do that. Then after that we will discuss each and every questions in detail with additionals. I hope you are reading, writing and revising newspaper regularly.
Question number 1, match the column. Number 1, Kargil Victory Day. Number 2, Vijay Divas. Number 3, Army Day. Number 4, Armed Forces Flag Day. Column B, December 16, July 26, December 7, January 15. Question number 2, ICJ. Number 2, IAEA. Number 3, NATO. Number 4, IUCN. Column B, you have Gland, Brussels, Vienna, The Hague. Question number 3. Number 1, Uday Kotak. Number 2, Arun Singhal. Number 3, Anandiben Patel. Number 4, Kalraj Mishra. Column B, option A, CEO FSSAI. Number B, CII President 2021. C, Governor of Rajasthan. Option D, Governor of Madhya Pradesh. Question number 4, Article 370, Article 35A, Article 280, Article 360. Option A, Financial Emergency. Option B, Finance Commission. Option C, Jammu and Kashmir Permanent Resident abolished. Option D, removing special status for Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 5. Number 1, Kaiga. Number 2, Kalpakam. Number 3, Kakrapara. Number 4, Narora. Option A, Tamil Nadu. Option B, Karnataka. Option C, Uttar Pradesh. Option D, Gujarat.
Question number 1, based on important dates. First comes Kargil Victory Day. Next comes Vijay Divas, Army Day, Armed Forces Flag Day. Column B, it is given December 16, July 26, December 7, January 15. Let's match the column. Kargil Victory Day observed on July 26. Vijay Divas, December 16. Army Day, January 15. Armed Forces Flag Day, December 7. Additionals you can prepare from question number 1, that is National Youth Day, January 12, Human Rights Day, December 10, International Women's Day, March 8. So some additionals you can collect from question number 1. Next, question number 2, important international organizations and where these are located. So let's see, ICJ, IAEA, NATO, IUCN. In column B it is given Gland, Brussels, Vienna, The Hague. Let's see ICJ. ICJ stands for International Court of Justice. International Court of Justice located in The Hague, Netherlands. The Hague, Netherlands. Next comes IAEA. IAEA stands for International Atomic Energy Agency. Where it is located? It is Vienna. Vienna, Austria. Vienna, Austria. Next comes NATO. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. NATO located Brussels. Brussels, Belgium. Brussels, Belgium. Next comes IUCN. IUCN stands for International Union for Conservation of Nature. And where it is located? That is Gland, Switzerland. Gland, Switzerland. The same way you can note down World Bank, Washington DC, USA, World Gold Council, London, UK, SAARC, headquarter, SAARC headquarter, Kathmandu. You can remember. So additional questions you can prepare from question number 2. Next, question number 3. Important appointments. Important appointments. Let's see. Uday Kotak, Arun Singhal, Anandiben Patel, Kalraj Mishra. Column B is given CEO of FSSAI. The next comes CII President 2020-21. Then Governor of Rajasthan, Governor of MP. Let's match the column. Uday Kotak. Uday Kotak recently appointed as CII President 2020-21. Uday Kotak. So CII stands for, write down, Confederation of Indian Industry. Confederation of Indian Industry. Next comes Arun Singhal. Arun Singhal recently appointed CEO of FSSAI. FSSAI, please note down, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. The next comes Anandiben Patel. Anandiben Patel recently she appointed as Governor of Madhya Pradesh. She is also holding Governor of UP, but taking additional charge Governor of MP. Anandiben Patel. Next comes Kalraj Mishra. Kalraj Mishra, Governor of Rajasthan. Governor of Rajasthan. Next, number question 4, based on articles. And let's see, Article 370, Article 35A, Article 280, Article 360. Column B is given Financial Emergency, Finance Commission, Jammu and Kashmir Permanent Resident abolished, and removing special status for Jammu and Kashmir. Let's match the column. Article 370, Article 370, removing special status for Jammu and Kashmir. So this is important. Remember. Next comes Article 35A. Article 35A, Jammu and Kashmir Permanent Resident abolished. So you can remember this also. Next comes Article 280. Article 280 deals with Finance Commission. Finance Commission. Next comes Article 360. Article 360, Financial Emergency. Financial Emergency. So some additional, question number 4 you can prepare. National Emergency, Article 352, State Emergency or President Rule, Article 356, Right to Education, considered as a fundamental right, Article 21A. With this, some additional you can collect. Question number 4. Next, question number 5, based on nuclear power plants in India and where it is located. Let's see. Kaiga, Kalpakam, Kakrapar, Narora. In column B it is given Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. Let's match the column. Kaiga nuclear power plant. Where it is located? Yes, it is located Karnataka. Next comes Kalpakam nuclear power plant. That is in Tamil Nadu. Next comes Kakrapar. Kakrapar, where it is located? It is in Gujarat. Next comes Narora. Narora, where it is located? That is in Uttar Pradesh. That is in Uttar Pradesh. So one interesting code it is there for question number 5, nuclear power plants in India. Let's see. The code it is K4NTR. This is the code. This is the code you can remember, K4NTR. Please note down, K4 stands for, that is Kaiga, where it is located, Karnataka. Next comes Kalpakam, that is in Tamil Nadu. Next comes Kundalkulam, that is in Tamil Nadu. Next comes Kakrapar, that is in Gujarat. So these are the K4. Next comes NTR. N for Narora, UP. T for Tarapur, Maharashtra. And R for Ravanbhatta, that is in Rajasthan.
Question number 6. Expand the following: IOA, SAI, FIH, LBW, TOPS. Question number 7. Recently, saffron spice got GI tag? It belongs to option A, West Bengal, option B, Odisha, option C, Jammu and Kashmir, option D, Uttarakhand. Question number 8, winner of Hungarian Grand Prix 2020. Option A, Max Verstappen, option B, Lewis Hamilton, option C, Sebastian Vettel, option D, Daniel Ricciardo. Question number 9, author of the book A Song of India. Option A, Ruskin Bond, option B, Shobha De, option C, Jhumpa Lahiri, option D, Salman Rushdie. Question number 10, PASEX is a joint naval exercise between option A, India Australia, option B, India China, option C, China and Russia, option D, India and Sri Lanka.
Question number 6. Expand the following terms. Option A, it is given IOA, that is Indian Olympic Association. Indian Olympic Association. And please note down who is the president. Dr. Narendra Batra. Dr. Narendra Batra. Headquarter Delhi. Next comes SAI, that is Sports Authority of India. Sports Authority of India. Recently appointed, very recently, Director General, can note down, Sandeep Pradhan. Sandeep Pradhan, Director General of Sports Authority of India, and the headquarters is Delhi. Next comes FIH. FIH, International Hockey Federation. International Hockey Federation. And where is the headquarters? Please note down, Lausanne, Switzerland. Lausanne, Switzerland. Next comes LBW. Very easy. That is leg before wicket. Leg before wicket. Next comes TOPS. 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 Target Olympic Podium Scheme. Target Olympic Podium Scheme. Who is right now the Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports? Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. Please write down Kiran Rijiju. Kiran Rijiju. Let's question number 7. Recently, saffron spice got GI tag. It belongs to. Options are West Bengal, Odisha, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand. And the right answer it is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. You can note down Odisha, that is recently got GI tag. GI stands for geographical indication. Odisha, Odisha Rasagolla. Odisha Rasagolla. And also coat-pad handloom fabric. Coat-pad, K-O-T-P-A-D. Coat-pad. It's a small village of Koraput. Coat-pad handloom fabric is one type of a sari which also got GI tag from Odisha. Next comes West Bengal. West Bengal, Darjeeling tea. You can write down Darjeeling tea. That is got GI tag, and that is important. Next, question number 8. The winner of Hungarian Grand Prix. Hungarian Grand Prix Formula 1 2020. Options are given: Max Verstappen, next Lewis Hamilton, next comes Sebastian Vettel, next comes Daniel Ricciardo. The right answer it is Lewis Hamilton. Please note down, Lewis Hamilton plays for which team? Lewis Hamilton, Mercedes. That is Mercedes. In the same way, Daniel Ricciardo, Renault. Daniel Ricciardo, Renault. R-E-N-A-U-L-T, Renault. Max Verstappen plays for the team Red Bull. Then Sebastian Vettel, that is Ferrari. Sebastian Vettel, Ferrari is the team. Next, 9 number question. The author of A Song of India, very recent book, A Song of India. Who is the author? Who is the writer? Let's see the options. Ruskin Bond, Shobha De, Jhumpa Lahiri, Salman Rushdie. And the right answer it is Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond. So write down other author, some books. Jhumpa Lahiri. Jhumpa Lahiri, The Namesake. The Namesake. Next, Interpreter of Maladies. Interpreter of Maladies. These are the two books of Jhumpa Lahiri, the namesake and Interpreter of Maladies. Next comes Salman Rushdie. Salman Rushdie, the Satanic Verses. The Satanic Verses. Midnight Children. Midnight Children. One book. The Satanic Verses is also another book. Another book you can write down, which is recently it is released, Quichotte. Quichotte is the book of Salman Rushdie. Quichotte. 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 Next comes Sovade. Sovade, write down some books. Sovade, Starry Nights. Starry Nights. Starry Nights, Second Thoughts are some of the books of Sovade. The next question number 10. PASEX. PASEX is a joint naval exercise between India, Australia, India, USA, China, Russia, India, Sri Lanka. The right answer it is India, USA. India, USA. Additionals you can write down India, USA, military exercise, red flag, Yudh Abhyas. You can write down India, Sri Lanka, Mitra Shakti. India, Sri Lanka, Mitra Shakti. India, China, hand in hand are some additionals related to question number 10.
Question number 11. Which state of India got its first mega food park or Zoram mega food park? Option A, Sikkim. Option B, Manipur. Option C, Mizoram. Option D, Assam. Question number 12. The winner of 2020 Nelson Mandela Prize. Winner of 2020 Nelson Mandela Prize. Option A, Mauriceana Kuate. Option B, Mariana Vardinoyanis. Option C, both A and B. Option D, Tizani Muhammad Bonde. Question number 13. Who is the Secretary of State USA? Mike Pompeo. Option B, S. Jaishankar. Option C, Joe Biden. Option D, Ivanka Trump. Question number 14. Which state will host 4th edition of Khelo India Youth Games 2021? Option A, Assam. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Delhi. Option D, Haryana. Question number 15. Which Indian public sector bank has launched InstaClick saving account? Option A, Central Bank of India. Option B, Bank of Baroda. Option C, Indian Overseas Bank. Option D, State Bank of India.
Number 11. Which state of India got its first mega food park? First mega food park or Zoram mega food park? Options are given: Sikkim, Manipur, Mizoram, Assam. The right answer it is Mizoram. So write down very simple infos related to Sikkim. Sikkim capital Gangtok. Sikkim capital Gangtok. Who is the Chief Minister of Sikkim? Prem Singh Tamang. Prem Singh Tamang. And who is the governor? Ganga Prasad. Ganga Prasad, governor of Sikkim. Next comes Manipur. Manipur capital Imphal. And who is the Chief Minister? N. Biren Singh. N. Biren Singh. Who is the governor? Nazma Heptullah. Nazma Heptullah. Next comes Mizoram. Mizoram capital Aizawl. Mizoram capital Aizawl. Who is the Chief Minister? Jerome Thanga. Jerome Thanga. And who is the governor? P.S. Sridharan Pillai. P.S. Sridharan Pillai. Next comes Assam. Assam capital Dispur. And who is the Chief Minister? Sarvanand Sonewal. Sarvanand Sonewal. And who is the governor? Jagdish Mukhi. Jagdish Mukhi. Simple infos important for exam point of view. Next, 12 number question. The winner of 2020 Nelson Mandela Prize. Nelson Mandela Prize. Options are given: Mauriceana Kuwaiti, Mariana Vadino Yunus, both A and B, and option D it is given Tizani Muhammad Bande. The right answer it is both A and B. That is Moriasana Koeti and Mariana Vadino Yunus, winner of 2020 Nelson Mandela Prize. Okay, so write down some additional information related to Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela, the first president of South Africa, 1994. He has also awarded some awards, that is Bharat Ratna 1990, Bharat Ratna 1990. Also got Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1993, Nobel Peace Prize 1993. Some books, A Long Walk to Freedom, book of Nelson Mandela, A Long Walk to Freedom. Another book, Conversation with Myself, Conversation with Myself. You can write down additional information related to Nelson Mandela. Next, 30 number question. Who is the Secretary of State, USA? Options are given: Mike Pompeo, S. Jayasankar, Joe Biden, and Ivanka Trump. The right answer it is Mike Pompeo. Mike Pompeo. Additional information you can write down: Joe Biden, who is contesting presidential nominee for USA 2020 election, Joe Biden. S. Jayasankar, as you know, Minister of External Affairs, India. Minister of External Affairs, India. S. Jayasankar. Ivanka Trump. Ivanka Trump, father, you know that Donald Trump, and Donald Trump, we know, on 45th president of USA. Okay. Next comes question number 14. Which state will host 4th edition of Khelo India Youth Games? Khelo India Youth Games. Options are given: Khelo India Youth Games 2021. Remember, Assam, Maharashtra, Delhi, Haryana. The right answer it is Haryana. So write down some additional information. That is Delhi. It is given Delhi first edition Khelo India Youth Games first edition 2018, venue Delhi. Next, Maharashtra. It is option given second edition Khelo India Youth Games 2019, venue Maharashtra Khelo India Youth Games. Next comes Assam, venue third edition of Khelo India Youth Games Assam 2020, and 2021 as the question it is given Khelo India Youth Games venue for 2021 Haryana. Next, question number 15. Which Indian public sector bank has launched InstaClick savings account? Means with the InstaClick savings account you can open your savings account online. This is one of the facility started by public sector bank. Options are given. Let's see the answers: Central Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Indian Overseas Bank, and State Bank of India. The right answer it is Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda. SBI, you can remember Chairman Rajnish Kumar. You can write down, please. Chairman of SBI Rajnish Kumar, headquarter Mumbai. You can remember Central Bank of India, as option it is given. Mumbai is the headquarter. Bank exams question comes. Okay, so please note down: Central Bank of India, headquarter Mumbai. Indian Overseas Bank, headquarter Chennai. Headquarter, important, Indian Overseas Bank Chennai. Next, Bank of Baroda, headquarter Vadodara, Gujarat. And also we observe SBI Day on July 1 every year. Thank you very much.
Question number 16. Which global organization launched the alliance named Yuva India in India? Option A, World Bank. Option B, UNICEF. Option C, UNESCO. Option D, IMF. Question number 17. The winner of English Premier League 2020. Option A, Liverpool Football Club. Option B, Manchester United Football Club. Option C, Chelsea Football Club. Option D, Juventus Football Club. Question number 18. Which of the following country is not among Quad members? Option A, India. Option B, USA. Option C, China. Option D, Japan. Question number 19. India has hosted Dhruvastra. It is a locally developed, option A, anti-tank guided missile. Option B, ICBM. Option C, LCA. Option D, advanced jet trainer. Question number 20. The Prime Minister addressed India Idea Summit on the theme Building a Better Future was organized by option A, Japan India Business Council. Option B, US India Business Council. Option C, Australia India Business Council. Option D, UK India Business Council.
Question number 16. Which global organization launched the alliance named Yuva India in India? That is, options are given: World Bank, UNICEF, UNESCO, IMF. The right answer it is UNICEF. Write down some additional information. World Bank President, that is David Malpass. President David Malpass. Headquarter Washington DC, USA. And how many members are there? World Bank. Very, very important. 189 members. 189 members. Next comes UNICEF. UNICEF headquarter New York. And who is the executive director of UNICEF? Executive director Henrietta H. Fore. Henrietta H. Fore. And how many members are there in UNICEF? 190. 190. Next comes UNESCO. UNESCO headquarter Paris, and Director General Adroy Azoulay. A-U-D-R-E-Y, Adroy Azoulay. A-Z-O-U-L-A-Y. Adroy Azoulay. And how many members are there in UNESCO? 193 members. Next comes IMF. IMF headquarter Washington DC. 189 members. Remember, IMF and World Bank, both these international organization headquarter, that is headquarter Washington DC, and members 189. And who is the MD? Kristalina Georgieva. Kristalina Georgieva. Next comes question number 17. The winner of English Premier League 2020 is associated with football, and the right, let's see the options: Liverpool Football Club, Manchester United Football Club, Chelsea Football Club, Juventus Football Club. The right answer it is Liverpool Football Club. Football associated trophies. An exam, important. Football, some associated trophies. Write down: DCM Trophy, associated with football. DCM Trophy, BC Roy Trophy, BC Roy Trophy, Durand Cup, Durand Cup. Okay, Rovers Cup, Subrato Mukherjee Cup are some of the trophies associated with football. Next, question number 18. Which of the following country is not among Quad? Quad means it is 4 members, 4 countries. So, see the options. Let's see the options. India, USA, China, Japan. Right answer it is China. China is not among Quad members. So 4 members are there in Quad, that is India, USA, Australia, Japan. India, USA, Australia, Japan. These Quad members are created recently, the disturbance which is created by China. So to fight or to send strong message, the Quad members are created: India, USA, Australia, Japan. Remember. So China will be the answer. Next 19 number question. India has tested Dhruvastra. This is really important, recent question. Dhruvastra. It is locally developed. Options are given: anti-tank guided missile, ICBM, LCA, advanced jet trainer. So ये answer, what is the answer? It is anti-tank guided missile, Dhruvastra. ICBM, here it is given ICBM, that is Intercontinental Ballistic Missile, Agni 5. Agni 5 is a intercontinental ballistic missile. Next comes LC, that is Light Combat Aircraft. Light Combat Aircraft, that is Tejas. Tejas is a type of a missile, that is Light Combat Aircraft. Next comes Advanced Jet Trainer. Advanced Jet Trainer, that is Hawk. 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 Advanced Jet Trainer. The same way Prithvi, surface to surface missile, Prithvi Astra, air to air, Trisul, surface to air. In this way we can collect information. Question number 19. Next, question number 20. The Prime Minister addressed India Idea Summit. India Idea Summit on the theme Building a Better Future. Building a Better Future was organized by Japan India Business Council, US India Business Council, Australia India Business Council, UK India Business Council. The right answer is US India Business Council. US India Business Council. Well, this is all about the current affairs of 20 to 26 July 2020. Keep revising, keep writing, keep collecting information related to current affairs. In the next time, we will come up with some new additional questions and keep reading current affairs. Keep revising current affairs. This much for the today's class. Thank you very much.